Picking back up here this afternoon here on the knife bar that's going in. It's the brake bar that's, even though I had it really snug on the Allen screws in here, and they have got a recess in there. When I made my first pass, Hot Gauge says, hey, you got a wider pass than you got down here where you started. So I did a little rechecking, and the vise was good, but these were not tight enough. So now we're good. We're gonna make do. 9/16 radiusing tool is all I've got, the smallest one I've got. And so we're gonna just use the fly cutter. We're gonna just come in here, nibble this off, flip it around, nibble it off, and we're gonna go to the belt sander. So let's get one more pass on this. And when you have to make do with what you got, you just do it. Do a climb cut on this. Make sure it don't knock the camera off with the bed. Again, my power feed will not feed this afternoon. I'm gonna drop her just another 5. Yeah, that was good. Started off with it almost stuck. Good thing for belt senders. Feeding again. All right, now we have blended in this end since I re-bumped it. That's a good sign. Blended right in, so we got it. Don't know whether right in here could have had just a tiny piece of shrapnel underneath here, but she'll power her out without a load. Only going to the negative side of the X. Make sure I've got enough overhang of the fly cutter. And I do. I'll turn the DRO back on. Come on, DRO, what's wrong with you? You're not dropping. So I decided to go out of memory. Both bar got the same width band. Seeing less than 3 thou right there. Of course, this old piece of iron, I never did try to mill it. Happy. All right, I will wrap this up here a little bit later on this afternoon, and then I'll do the other third cut on that side. Get her over to the belt sender. Take care of it. Yeah, COVID brought out the old beard again, but it's wintertime. So Brian over there at BC Block, I'm gonna keep up with you this year. I'm gonna get this thing out big and fuzzy. Stay warm. All right, we'll move on with this project. For now, we're out.